I hardly think I'm qualified to come across all sanctified. I just don't cut it with the cherubian.
So what are you talking about?
There again, they're on their knees. Being worshipped is a breeze, which rather suits us in the interim. It's me and him. Oh my God! It's tough to be a god, bred where mortals have not trod. Be deified when really you're a sham. Be an object of devotion, be the subject of song. It's a rather touching notion, all those prayers and those salams. And who am I to bridle if I'm forced to be an idol? If they say that I'm a god, that's what I am. What's more,